Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I have a big haul to share with you guys. So, I bought some things from various different places, including BLITSY. I have some other things coming, but let's get right into it. So, I did have an order from Crafts Direct. I'm still waiting for the rest of my order, but I did get the new Tim Holtz Thinlits. This is the Alterations, makes this little pocket, which I'm going to try. And then this one, which is the Caitlin Lazari die, and it makes the inserts for I think a personal size planner, as well as this little pocket, which I've already used. I'll show you in this one that I'm working on right now, right here. I love the pocket. I think it's amazing. So I'm going to put pockets in everything. So I already used that one, and I really, really like it. So there is that. And then I did buy some things from Molly's Square. So I'm hoping to show you guys what this all looks like when I put it together. So I got this one, which is the Castle pop-up die. Does that look cool? So hopefully not too hard to put together. And then the Knight and Dragon, that kind of goes along with that. And then this is Princess and Mermaid. I got the Coffee pop-up. Excited to try that. These are all Karen Bernstein dies. Sea Animals, Tropical Scene, and the Palm Tree pop-up. So I'm really excited about all of those. And then I got the bigger size Misties. So I don't know if I have it handy to show you, but I have this small Misty. And I ended up buying the Tim Holtz platform, which I ended up destashing because I didn't care for it. I really do like the Misty and how it works. But I needed something a little bit bigger than the mini Misty that I have for any of the bigger background dies, which I'm trying to kind of use. So I went ahead and got this from Butterfly Reflections, I think is what I got it from. And then let's go into my BLITSY haul. So for BLITSY, I'm in love with what I got. So first is Echo Park. Actually, most of all of it is Echo Park. I'll have to show you. Everything's Echo Park. So I got the Wish Upon a Star in the 12 by 12. I always buy all the Disney because I grew up in Anaheim. My father retired from Disney. We go to Disney all the time. I have a bazillion pictures of Disney, and I need to scrap them. This is probably my favorite one. I just think it's adorable. Like, this paper is just amazing. So all the little pieces. So this is the brand new Echo Park. And then I got this Alice in Wonderland. This is the coordinating solids to go with the most, they just hit out of the park, Alice in Wonderland. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I love it so much. I don't know if I'm going to make like an album. I love Alice in Wonderland, the book and the movie. So part of me is thinking about making sort of a book that goes that kind of follows the Alice in Wonderland story. I thought about making a Traveler's Notebook. I don't know, but I love it. It's so cute. Just gorgeous. And I did buy the solids for that one. And then this one, I actually have another one of this one coming because I am in love with it. So this one for sure, I'm going to do a bunch of different things with. I have all kinds of plans for this one. I'm definitely going to do Traveler's Notebook with this. I love it. Mary Poppins happens to be one of my favorite, if not my favorite Disney movie as well. And I've seen the musical. They did the musical Amundsen Theater a couple years ago. I saw that. I've read all the books, grew up with Mary Poppins, love it. So excited to see it. It's just so beautiful. So I'm just loving that. So I got these from BLITSY. I ended up buying a couple other more pieces that go, with that collection. So then I've got some pieces. So I did buy the frames and tags for the Alice in Wonderland and the frames and tags for the Wish Upon a Star. I don't know if they had the ones for the Practically Perfect, the Mary Poppins one. So let me show you. 6x6 paper pads, which are amazing. So the Practically Perfect is just a smaller version of that. Just adore it. The Wish Upon a Star. I'm just loving this so much. I think the collections that they came out with right now are just amazing. So you can just see it's just double-sided, and look at this one with the hearts, like Mickey hearts. Just fabulous. So that one, the Alice in Wonderland, is gorgeous. I just want to look at it. So cute. So excited about this one. Look at the Alice's. Look at how beautiful. It has a little bit of a rifle paper look to it. I don't know, just love it. Got that one. And then Good Day Sunshine, which is a new one for them. So I think they didn't have, oh yeah, they did. So I have all of those. And then the Good Day Sunshine, which I think was, I just fell in love with the watermelons. So the wagons, and super cute. I just am loving the collections that they have right now. Echo Park has just really done it very well. And then the Alice in Wonderland, I don't always buy the Echo Park stamps, but I loved this full sentiment stamp set. I might go back and get the Mary Poppins one. I don't know, but I loved all of these sentiments. They're just really wonderful. We daydream about impossible things. You're some kind of wonderful. Your heart and my heart are very old friends. What if I fall? Oh, but darling, what if you fly? That'd be really cute with like a Peter Pan. So very cute. Love that. And then I also got the Lawn Fundamentals die ink cubes. Forget-me-not, raspberry, cilantro, and juice box. This is called Farmer's Market Cube Pack. So that is my quick haul. I do have a few more things, coming in a haul. Can't even remember everything that I'm getting, but I am getting a few things that I bought with my D-Stash money. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.